In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Saty ATR levels in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is loaded, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the middle of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies panel. When the panel opens, you'll see a search box at the very top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in or community script. Click directly inside that search box so you can start typing. If you don't click the box first, your keyboard might not register, so just make sure you see the cursor blinking inside it. Now type in Saty ATR Levels, exactly as it's written. TradingView will filter the list in real time as you type. After a second or two, you should see the Saty ATR Levels indicator appear in the results below. If you don't see it right away, double check your spelling and make sure you're searching in the main indicators section, not in something like My Scripts or Favorites, unless you've already saved it there. Once you see Saty ATR Levels in the list, hover over it and click on it once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically. You'll notice new lines or levels appear based on the average true range, which can help you visualize volatility and potential support or resistance zones. If nothing appears, confirm that your chart background isn't the same color as the lines and that the indicator is actually turned on in the indicators list beneath your chart. You can customize it further by hovering over the indicator name on your chart and clicking the settings icon. Here, you can adjust things like colors, line thickness, or ATR length according to your strategy and preferences. Take a moment to experiment until the levels are easy to read and match the way you like to trade. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want a smoother experience with more indicators, alerts, and layout options, check out my affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it gives you access to all the features I'm using in this tutorial.